Have you ever wondered how Google knows just what you're looking for, or how Amazon seems to predict your shopping habits? These aren't just technological marvels, they're examples of how big data works in our everyday lives. The answer to these mysteries? Big data. Big data, in short, is an exceptionally large volume of data that businesses analyze to reveal patterns, trends, and associations. It's like a vast ocean brimming with diverse elements, its volume, variety, and velocity being its defining features. The data is collected from a myriad of sources, from social media posts to transaction records. Then, using specialized tools, this information is processed and analyzed, uncovering valuable insights. Big data is more than just large amounts of information. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can provide valuable insights and drive decision-making. Big data analytics is the process of examining large and varied data sets to uncover hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, and customer preferences. This powerful tool is employed across various sectors. In healthcare, it might be used to predict disease outbreaks or improve patient care. In retail, it can analyze shopping behaviors to optimize sales. The process utilizes a range of techniques. Predictive analytics, for instance, forecasts future events based on historical data. Data mining explores large datasets to identify trends. Machine learning, on the other hand, enables systems to learn and improve from experience. Thus, by harnessing these tools, big data analytics helps businesses become more efficient, understand their customers better, and make more informed decisions. So, what have we uncovered about big data today? We've delved into its vast world, highlighting the fact that it represents large volumes of data, both structured and unstructured. We've also learned about the collection and analysis process, emphasizing the role of advanced tools and methods. Most importantly, we've recognized the benefits of big data analytics, such as improved decision-making and strategic business moves. In the era of information, understanding big data and its analytics is not just beneficial, it's essential.